Well, hello everybody. I put this video together to give everybody a rundown of my investment story. I hope you enjoy it. I'm now in my late 60s. I was a meat cutter with a large retail food chain for 30 years. Looking back, I kick myself that I didn't get into the financial world as my occupation. Finances were always something that I really enjoyed, even as a kid. I first started investing through financial planners. After many years of having them handle my investments and paying their crazy fees for basically doing nothing, I found I wasn't getting ahead at all. They put me in various mutual funds, something I'd never even consider investing in now. Mutuals average about 2% in annual fees, and then the planner takes their fee on top of that. Over about a 35-year period, the funds basically did nothing for me. I had also gotten into accumulating real estate, which is a great thing as there are so many tax write-offs, not to mention it always increases in value over time. Mortgage interest on property, along with all other expenses attached to the properties, is tax deductible. So you always want to carry as much mortgage as possible on these properties and pay down your personal property mortgage. Unfortunately, due to a couple of marital breakups, my real estate venture kind of fell apart for me in the end. Not trying to sound bitter, but it also prevented me from building financial wealth at a much faster rate via other investments. Needless to say, I fell way behind my goals. About 7 years ago, I tried out a practice account at my bank and found I was doing exceptionally well. I went from there to investing within my tax-free savings account and again found I was doing well. About 4 to 5 years ago, I decided to basically fire my financial planner at Raymond James and took on the entire portfolio myself. To begin with, my lack of experience caused me some problems. The markets were soaring in late 2020 and in 2021, and anything you bought went up. Foolishly, I fell for many of the hype stocks I'd been informed about, mostly on YouTube videos. I bought mostly small positions in 94 stocks, which was just crazy. You should never own that many stocks. I'm now down to only 11. Come 2022, the market went for a complete dump, and I hit a hard rock bottom in December of that year. I had already sold many of my positions and moved the money into what became known as the Magnificent Seven stocks. But I still hung on to many garbage stocks that were rapidly sinking into oblivion. I continued to take losses and move more of those bad stocks into Mag 7 stocks. The rest was history for me. Yes, I lost a lot of money on those bum stocks, but made a brilliant move getting into those cap Mag 7 stocks and more than made up for my losses. A big lesson I learned was don't get married to your stocks. If they drop 10% or more, move on from them unless you strongly feel they could rebound. I also learned stay away from penny stocks. It's okay to invest maybe 10% of your portfolio into those kind of stocks, but leave it at that. In closing, I've made many mistakes along the way, but by researching more carefully, staying away from losing companies, and investing in quality stocks, I've come a long way. Since my bottom of 2022, my portfolio is now up over 100%. As stated in my recent videos, due to a couple of recent mistakes I made, my portfolio is actually down about 5% from peak right now. Mistakes happen to even the best investors. It doesn't mean you panic sell. If you do that, you will consistently lose. In my opinion, the best route to go is to dollar cost average into quality companies. If they happen to fall dramatically, you double down on your DCA into them. Never just invest a huge lump sum into any one stock, as you don't know what the stock will do the next day, week, or month. I made that mistake just recently. The way to make money is to buy stocks low and sell high. Unfortunately, many novice investors do the exact opposite, hence why so many lose their shirt. I hope you enjoyed listening to my story. I'll be back with my weekly update on Friday, and I thank everybody for watching. Hope everybody is doing okay. Bye for now.